Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Eset Smart Security Premium subscription. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to visit on the official website and you need to log in into your account. Okay, and once you logged in into your account you will see this kind of window. Okay, and on this window there is a left side, and on this left side there is a button like subscription. You can select this option and then you will see this kind of window. Okay, and then you can still see there is a you can select button option manage subscription. You can select this option and you can follow on instruction on screen instructions and you can manage your subscription. And on the screen there is all the options. There are, you can select all the status. You can cancel your subscription on this page. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.